How close can we get this to feel like an actual sweater, and how many of these can we check off the list? If any at all, honestly. With the goal in sight, I started measuring t-shirts and modeling up a pattern for the sweater. So I sort of strategized my 3D printing process and came up with a few steps to help me print the pieces in the most efficient way. And this can definitely help you if you're thinking about 3D printing your own garment. The first is to take into account the bed size of your printer and make sure all of your pieces fit within that bed size. Second is to strategically divide your pattern, whether by integrating the seams into your design or by maybe keeping them symmetrical within the overall piece. And third is to make sure that you strategically number your pieces or name them. I mean, you don't want to lose track of this messy puzzle you've created for yourself. For example, I divided my pieces into 4 quadrants, like the Cartesian math quadrants, and I grouped all my red pieces on the top, all my white pieces on the bottom, and then the pieces of the garment that were actually on the right, I kept towards the right, and the left, to the left. Then these, I further grouped them into front, back, and sleeve, and then each individual piece has its own number. Therefore, all of them would sort of have this library book code. And for example, this one is white, left, front, 5. And that's the only piece of its kind. So for this project, I'm using the most flexible of flexible filaments in my possession.